Sirena Del Mar. Let's see what the penthouse looks like today. The penthouse basically has the same kitchen as the large bedroom suite. Has everything you need: refrigerator, stove, and a dishwasher. The spare bedroom or second bedroom has a beautiful bed, 2 windows, 2 nightstands, and a bathroom right adjacent to it, with plenty of room for 2 people to get ready, as well as a large shower. Then there's this wonderful den where you can watch TV, and the couch folds out for 2 more people to sleep if you have a very large party. The dining area and the kitchen are just beautiful, and they all look out to this gorgeous sea. Look at this sea, and there's a jacuzzi tub outside, plenty of places for people to sit and lounge and relax, and it's all about the views. Check out these lovely, lovely views. Now on to the master suite. The master suite has a little lounge area, a nice king-size bed, dresser, a TV, and it also has views. You can walk out onto the balcony and enjoy the views, or open the door and listen to the ocean. And then you have a closet as well as a workspace in this room, so you can have your computer if you need to. But who wants to have that on vacation? Then there's a bathroom that is just for the master bedroom, and you can see it over here. You have a nice soaking tub and a shower, and you have ample room for plenty of people to get ready. And the penthouse has its own washer dryer. Can't do without that on a vacation. So what are you waiting for? Let's go to Cabo San Lucas. I can't wait to go again. We're gonna have so much fun. It's beautiful. I love this place, and I can't wait to go again really, really soon. Go check out those views.